Set theory practice exercises 47 through 53. So on some of these, I'm going to give you some answers that are a little bit different than the answer key. But just remember, when it comes time to grade these, what I can do is I can look at what your answer is and just make sure that what you gave lines up with the shaded region. So there can be more than one answer to some of these problems. All right, so on number 47, I think the easiest thing to say is that looks like the intersection of sets A and B. On 48, that looks like the difference of set A and B. So I have set A and I'm taking away anything that had to do with set B. Now 49, it looks like I'm shading everything but B minus A, the difference of B and A. So that could be the complement of B minus A, the difference of B and A. So number 50 is a great example of something where I could have more than one answer for this. So some of you might look at this and say, that looks like A intersect B, and that looks like B intersects C, and it looks like I have the union of both of those, and that would certainly work. One of the things that they have as far as the answer key is they were saying that this could be the intersection of A union C and set B. So you see that this region right here would be the only thing that set B and the intersection, and the union of A and C would have in common. So this is one of a few possible answers. Okay, let's look at 51. So on this one, I decided for myself that this looks like B, and I'm taking away from it A union C. So again, I know that the key says something different. Okay, on the next one, what this looked like to me was it looked like the union of set C and the difference of A and B. Okay? And then this last one, there's all kinds of things that we could put here. I was going to look at this part first. Okay, and that looks like A union B, but I'm taking set C away from that. And then I want to add to that this section right here. So union A intersect B. So I know in the answer key to just get this little part right here, they said that was A intersect B intersect C. Well, that is certainly true, but I am doing the union here, so if I put union A intersect B, then that will work as well.